always use raw food to do the testing.
To do the testing, yeah. She doesn't care what you do to her now.
No.
She's like, that felt so good, whatever you just did. I'll just take any of it.
Yeah. Oh, good girl. Yeah, it's me. Hi.
You're the one touching me?
Yeah, it's me.
I was so out of it, I didn't realize. Hey, Ellie. Hi. Does that feel good? Oh, I think I saw it.
Yeah, we
Kind
do
of
it a
pull
little bit
there.
differently. And good girl. Oh, there we go.
Fenny is still out cold next to her. He's just
He's
totally.
out too.
They both are.
They both are.
I bet that feels so good.
Oh, hi, yeah. Hi, good girl. There you go. Yeah, Mama. Your teats are full, sister. They always look like that? Or are they full? I don't know. I haven't seen very many nursing moms.
Wait until she weans them.
Oh gosh.
She does a really good job making milk. Her body's very efficient at that.
I know what mine feel like when
I know. I did it for years.
Yeah, I'm going on. Well,
Look at. He's like, oh.
Hey, Mama. Does that feel good? Yeah. Oh. She does have a spot right in that. Region.
So in one of the
Licks, yeah, licks are good. Yeah, licks are good. Oh, you gonna yawn? Yeah, licks are good. Oh, good girl.
Fanny's thinking about nursing. Yeti would already be hooked on by now if Yeti was there. Fanny's more cooperative. Yeti does what he wants.
Are they weaned yet? Are they still nursing?
She can't make up her mind.
Yeah, yeah.
Mostly weaned.
She keeps jumping in her stealing treats.
Is that what it is? She's jumping into steal her treats, and then they're like, "Oh, mommy!" And they all run to her.
Or she gets in random moods where she feels like being nice.
Yeah, because they're 9 weeks now, right?
They'll be 9 weeks tomorrow. No, Wednesday. Tomorrow. Yeah, it's all running together for me. But look how she's just laying there letting you. She is not one bit upset about this.
No, she likes it a lot. Oh,
She said, "This is so good." Hearing the babies.
My babies.
Oh, I can't wait. Zamora's got them. I can just. She is out.
She definitely needed it, but it wasn't. I mean, she's pretty good. Like,
Okay.
Yeah.
Especially for having had 2 litters and never being adjusted.
Yes, yeah. So she had pretty good, in general, pretty good range of motion. She actually was the most stiff right between here and here.
Mm-hmm.
So that could, does she tend to be kind of an anxious dog at all, or?
With one of the others,
Okay.
she's very.
Sometimes if
fussy with Zuzu.
if they even, and it doesn't have to be all the time, you know, if they tend to be a little bit more cautious or tense, you know, it can show, just like in people, how it shows up right in here.
Yep.
And so we'll notice that, you know, personality wise can go hand in hand. Dogs that tend to be more like super mellow and chill, they don't
She
necessarily
is
have.
pretty much mellow and chill, except with Zuzu. And then she
Yeah.
and Zuzu go at it like they
Yeah.
hate each other.
And
So
it might not have anything to do with that. It's just one thing that we sometimes see with that too.
Mhm.
So.
Oh, look at her.
Yeah, she's like, oh, that feels good.
This is the life. This is totally the life. Look at all these puppies laying here down. Oh, she says, wait, you're
Where
leaving?
are you going?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
She said, you're not done yet, are you? Look at her. She's watching you closely. Oh, she was.
Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. She looks happy though.
She does.
Her face, she's like, she looks like she just had a massage. Like
Mhm.
she just, like she
Yeah.
just sat up and her hair's all disheveled. What's a good girl? What's a good girl?
Hey, can I pet you? Yeah? Yeah, we're friends.
She did really good for 1 week after birth with puppies and everything.
Definitely.
She did
Yeah,
really
she
good.
Did great.
This is kind of a little bit of an experiment for us.
Right? Yeah, I wasn't sure exactly
See how this
it would go, but I
goes.
think it went very well.
I think so.
I'm going to run to the bathroom real quick.
Okay.
And then we can get you worked on.
Mm-hmm.
Which shoulder is it?
This one.
The right one.
Yep.
Okay. I'm going to have you